Good morning students. Today date is 13th of August 2021 and we are doing worksheet number 8. Equation reducible to the linear form. Earlier in worksheet 7 what we did? We did equations which were having variable on both the sides. Okay. Now today we will be doing equation reducible to the linear form. Means equations which are not looking like linear at first sight, but they can be reduced to linear form. Now these are just looking like linear equation. Okay, in a line. Basically linear means when we are going to represent it on a paper, on graph paper, it forms a line having power 1 of the variable. Okay, now this is not looking like linear form, in linear form. Okay, but we can reduce it to linear form. Now how can we reduce it? That we are going to learn today. Okay, so let's start now. The first question that is given is x plus 7 divided by x plus 2 equals to 3 by 4. Okay, both the side we are having equation in fraction form. So what we'll be doing, the very first thing will be, like what we have to do, we'll be cross multiplying it. The very first step is we have to cross multiply it. That means we have to multiply x plus 7 by 4 and x plus 2 will be multiplied by 3. We are cross multiplying it. Now we know how to multiply it. I told you on that day also that whatever number is written outside the bracket, whole bracket is multiplied by that number. So 4 will be multiplied by x plus 4 into 7 is equal to 3 into x plus 3 into 2. Okay. Now we are multiplying it. 4 into x is 4x plus 4 sevens are 28 is equal to 3 into x is 3x plus 3 twos are 6. Now we did these type of questions only on that day, that on both the sides we are having variable. And what we have to do, you all know very good. We will be just transferring all the variables on one side to the LHS and all the constant on the other side, RHS. So it will become 4x and this 3x we are transposing, so it will become minus 3x, sign will change. Now 6 is here on the right hand side only, and this 28 will be transposing on this side, we are going to transpose it, so plus 28 will become minus 28. Okay, clear? So 4x minus 3x is 1x, we are writing only x because it is understood, this is 1x, and 6 minus 28, plus minus is minus, so we will be subtracting 6 from 28, it will be 22 and sign of the greater number. So our answer is x equals to 22. We can verify also answer, we can check our answer also. How can we check it? Whatever value we are getting, like we are getting x equals to minus 22. So we will be putting x equals to minus 22 in the given equation. So LHS, we are writing left hand side of the equation, that is x plus 7 divided by x plus 2. I am writing the left hand side x plus 7 by x plus 2. So x we have got minus 22. So minus 22 plus 7 and minus 22 plus 2. So it will be minus plus again minus. So minus 22 minus 7, it will be 15 and sign of the bigger number. Again it will become 20 minus 2. So 20 and sign of the greater number. This minus get cancelled. So 5 3s are 15 and 5 4s are 20. So it becomes 3 by 4. And what is the RHS given? 3 by 4. So that means whatever value of x we find out, that was x equals to minus 22 is correct, because LHS is equal to RHS. On verification we are getting LHS is equal to RHS. Now one word problem is also given, beta. Now some steps we have to remember while solving a word problem. We should read word problem 2-3 times. Until unless we are just understanding the language, we should read it. Next, whatever unknown is given, unknown quantity should be represented by a variable, and then step by step we'll be moving and solving it. Okay, so the question is, a number whose 7th part exceeds its 8th part by 1, find the number. So we have to find the number. So let the number be x. We are representing this unknown quantity by a variable x. Now next, seventh part is given. So seventh part of the number will become, seventh part of x will become x by 7. And eighth part of number will be x by 8. Now what is given? Seventh part exceeds its eighth part by 1. So seventh part and eighth part, the difference between seventh part and eighth part is 1. So x by 7 minus x by 8 is equal to 1. So our equation will be x by 7 minus x by 8 is equal to 1. Difference between 7th part and 8th part is 1. ATQ means according to question. So now how can we solve it? Again, we have to take LCM. So LCM will be 56. Everybody will be finding the LCM. So it will become 56. So 7 has to be multiplied by 8 to make it 56. So it will become 8x minus 7x. Because for making it 56, we have to multiply it by 8. And the number by which we are multiplying the denominator, we have to multiply it by the numerator also by the same number. So this will be multiplied by 8 and this will be multiplied by 7. So 8x minus 7x, this is equal to 1. So subtract it, x by 56 is equal to 1. And now what we have to do, we have to cross multiply it. So x is equal to 1 into 56 is 56. So the required number will be 56. Again, whatever unknown quantity is just represented by a variable. Now whatever things were given, like it was given 7th part. So we have make it 7th part is equal to x by 7, 8th part will be x by 8. Now given condition is 7th part exceeds its 8th part by 1. So 7th part exceeds by 8th part. That means the difference between the two parts is equal to 1. And we have solved it by taking the LCM. Okay. Now let's try some questions. First question is 2x by 3 divided by 4x minus 5 is equal to 3 by 7. You all know beta how we have to solve it. It can be reduced to linear form by the method of cross multiplication. So we are cross multiplying it beta. So 7 will be multiplied by 2x plus 3. And this will be equal to 3 multiplied by 4x minus 5. Okay. Now 7 will be multiplied by these two terms. So 7 into 2x plus 3 into 7 is equal to 3 into 4x minus 3 into 5. Okay. So 7 2s are 14x plus 21 is equal to 4th is a 12x minus 15. Again, variables will be, we are just shifting the variables on one side and these constant on the other side. So 14x, this plus 12x will become minus 12x is equal to minus 15 and plus 21 will become minus 21. So 14 minus 12 plus minus minus. So 2x is equal to minus 15 and minus 21. Minus minus is plus. Whenever we are having the numbers with same sign, they are added. So it becomes 36 and sign of the bigger number minus. So x equals to minus 36 by 2. Now we all know 36 is an even number, so it is divisible by 2. When we are going to divide it, we will be getting minus 18. So our answer is x equals to minus 18. We can check it also by putting minus 18 here. Okay. So you can verify your answer also. Now beta, some more questions are given. These you have to do yourself by cross multiplying. Do it. Okay. Same way you have to cross multiply it. I'm just telling you one or two steps. Like here also we are just going to cross multiply it. So it will become 2 multiplied by 5x minus 4 is equal to 1 multiplied by 3x plus 7. Cross multiply. Now just multiply it. So 2 multiplied by 5x minus 2 multiplied by 4 is equal to 1 multiplied by 3x minus 1 multiplied by 7. Multiply it and solve it. Similarly, we will be doing third and fourth part also. Now I am just telling you the word problems, understand it properly. If 2 by 3 of a number is 30 less than the original number, then find the number. What is given? 2, 3 of a number is 30 less than the original number, and we have to find that number. So this is unknown, so let the number be x. Then 2 by 3 of a number will, that means 2 by 3 of x. It will be 2 by 3 of x. Now according to question, this 2 by 3 of x is 30 less than the number. So number minus 2 by 3 of number is how much? 30. This difference is given to be 30. So x minus 2 by 3 of x is equal to 30. Now what we will be doing? We will be just taking out the LCM. So LCM will be 3. Okay? Because here it is 1. So LCM will be 3. It will become 3x minus 2x is equal to 30. So 3x minus 2x means 1x. 1x by 3 is equal to 30. Now what will happen? Cross multiply it. So x is equal to 30 into 3. So the number is 90. So required number is 90. Okay? We are taking the number to be x. So 2 by 3 of number will be 2 by 3 of x. So difference between the two numbers x and 2 by 3 of x is given to be 30. Write it and just take the LCM and solve it. Similarly, this part you will be doing yourself, beta. 1/6 of a number, one subtracted from the number itself gives 25. Find the number. So let the number be x. Because we have to find the number, it is unknown. So number be x, then 1/6 of the number. 1/6 of the number will be x by 6. Because number is x, so 1/6 of x means x by 6. Now according to equation, according to question, what is given? Number and 1/6 of number. The difference between two is 25. It is given now 1/6 of a number, one subtracted from the number. So we are subtracting 1/6 of the number from the number, and what we will be getting? 25. Now you have to do yourself. This is x and this is minus x by 6 is equal to 25. Take out the LCM and solve it. Okay? All of you just solve these questions in your notebook, beta. Click it and just send it in the group for correction, for checking work. Okay? And keep remembering, beta, we have to find against COVID. So just always be in the mask and keep your hand, keep sanitizing your hands. Okay? Thank you.